That's a fail, isn't it?
That's a fail, yeah.
We then decided that because we're a team, only one of us needed to actually do this test.
Should I wear a crash helmet?
Oh, if anything goes wrong here, a crash helmet will make no difference, mate.
It'll make it easier to find his head
Yeah,
afterwards.
get the bits together in one place.
This is the safest thing anyone has ever done. Look at the inertia reel seatbelt you get in a Jensen. Could you just make that go a bit further in the back?
I don't want you ever to say that to me again.
You see, how cheerful am I about what I'm about to do?
Yeah.
Sunrise. This is the last day that
I'm going to have Tony Christie on my 8-track. Seatbelt is on, but strong, dependable seatbelt. Oh, I'm off. Right. Actually, I mean by... Oh, I better concentrate, because I'm going into the lorry. Brace! Brace, brace! How safe is this car?
That's a pass.
That is a pass.
That's a pass.
Thank God he wasn't in that little Citroen.
Having proved, as a team, that our cars are safer than hot hatches, we continued onwards, and soon we were in a very special place.
This is where Richard Hammond was actually born.
This is a beautiful town, Richard.
You're very lucky to have been born here, Hammond.
Am I ever? Fond memories.
Tasmania, complete home furnishings. That's where the Queen buys all her furniture.
Happy communities. Man cleaning windows. Or was he breaking in? No, he's cleaning. Yeah.